What if your robot vacuum could not only clean your floors, but also wash and dry its own mops, empty its dustbin, and automatically lift the mops when it detects carpet? Today, we're reviewing the eufy X10 Pro Omni robot vacuum and mop combo, an all-in-one cleaning system featuring 8,000 pascals suction, dual rotating mops, 12mm auto-lift mop technology, AI obstacle avoidance, carpet detection, auto mop washing, auto drying, and self-emptying. But can it actually replace your everyday vacuum and mop routine? Let's find out. The eufy X10 Pro Omni is designed for homeowners who want a more automated floor cleaning experience. Instead of simply vacuuming and returning to a charging dock, the X10 Pro Omni uses an Omni station to handle several maintenance tasks automatically. The robot can vacuum, mop, return to the station to wash its mop pads, dry them, and empty collected dust. That makes it particularly appealing for busy households, pet owners, and anyone who wants less hands-on maintenance. Let's start with cleaning performance. The X10 Pro Omni delivers up to 8,000 pascals of suction power, designed to pick up everyday dirt, dust, crumbs, and pet hair from your floors. For mopping, it uses dual rotating mop pads that apply downward pressure while cleaning, helping tackle everyday stains and stuck-on messes. One of the most useful features is the 12mm auto-lift system. When the robot detects carpet, the mop pads can automatically lift, helping prevent the wet mop pads from dragging across carpeted areas. The robot also uses carpet detection to adjust its cleaning behavior depending on the floor surface. The real highlight is the automated Omni station. After cleaning, the robot can return to the station and automatically wash its mop pads and dry them, helping reduce the amount of manual cleaning required. It can also self-empty the robot's dustbin, so you don't need to empty it after every cleaning cycle. For navigation and obstacle avoidance, eufy uses an AI-powered obstacle avoidance system designed to recognize and avoid common objects around the home. This can be especially useful in busy rooms where toys, cables, furniture, and other everyday objects may be left on the floor. In everyday use, the X10 Pro Omni is most impressive because of how much of the cleaning process it automates. The combination of strong suction, rotating mops, carpet detection, and automatic mop maintenance makes it suitable for homes with a mix of hard floors and carpet. Pet owners can also benefit from automated vacuuming because regular cleaning helps keep everyday hair and debris under control. However, like most robot vacuums, it isn't completely maintenance-free. The station, brushes, sensors, filters, and other components still need occasional cleaning and inspection. And while AI obstacle avoidance can reduce collisions and help the robot navigate around objects, it's still a good idea to keep floors reasonably organized for the best results. So, is the eufy X10 Pro Omni worth buying? If your priority is maximum automation, this robot vacuum and mop combo is a very compelling option. You get 8,000 pascals suction, dual rotating mops, 12mm auto lift, carpet detection, AI obstacle avoidance, self-emptying, automatic mop washing, and automatic drying in one system. It's especially appealing for busy households, pet owners, and anyone who wants to reduce the amount of daily floor cleaning work. The main thing to remember is that a robot vacuum isn't a complete replacement for occasional deep cleaning and maintenance. But for everyday automated floor care, the eufy X10 Pro Omni offers an impressive combination of vacuuming, mopping, and hands-off dock maintenance. If you'd like to check the latest Amazon price or available discounts, you'll find the affiliate link in the description below. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more reviews of robot vacuums, smart home technology, cleaning appliances, and Amazon bestsellers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.